Hey, job seekers, I'm Jen Tardy, your career success coach, and I'm here with another video on our career success channel. If you like the video that we recently did on the topic of focus called Where Your Focus Should Be, 4 P's that make us stop trying, then I'm positive that you will like today's video too, which is all about how to use manifestation to create the career you want. As a matter of fact, the reason many people do not get what they desire is because they skip this huge step in the hiring process. Let's get this video started. I'll see you on the other side. Before we begin, if you are enjoying these videos, the best way to let me know and to support this work that I'm doing is by clicking the subscribe button and hitting that bell icon so that you can get notified each time a new video is posted to this channel. Now, I often talk about manifestation to our inner circle legends, but I do not do it in the traditional sense of defining and unpacking manifestation, the universe, God, etc. Not everyone is there yet, and people are on their own spiritual journeys. So instead, I may say words like visualization, or I may say you have to see it, or you have to believe it. I've been doing the same thing here in a lot of our career success videos too. As a matter of fact, there's one video in particular where I actually talk about using the law of attraction in your job search. You can find the link to this video in the below description. But here is where I'm going to be direct about manifestation. As a matter of fact, there are 3 steps to manifesting the career you want that I do often share. Step 1, you have to first ask yourself, what do I desire? Now, the biggest reason why we don't get the jobs that we want is because we've never taken an opportunity to sit and think about what the ideal job is for us. We tend to look at the jobs that are already available and choose from that. So I always recommend that people go beyond that. What is your desired opportunity, your desired career? And take some time and have fun with it. Fantasize about it. What does it look like? Now, in this space of fantasizing about what we desire, the image or vision can feel very black and white and very far away. The best thing that a career coach can do for you in this space is to help you to add color to your desire and to bring it up close and personal. That's what step 2 is all about. So step 2, bring clarity to your desire. Make it real and tangible for you. In other words, start looking for the type of career that you desire on the job market. See if it's already out there. And I hear you saying, hey Jen, I thought you said, don't worry about the job market. Nope. My message was, don't start with the job market. Start with your desire and then find your desire on the job market. Bringing clarity into the conversation says, well, what types of jobs or career paths can give me what I desire? And if that level of desire has requirements that you do not meet just yet, clarity says, okay, well, what types of jobs can you get into today that will lead you down a career path that you desire along the way? All right, again, a career coach can help you get this clarity, and these types of conversations are the ones that we're currently having in our Inner Circle program. I invite you to join our Inner Circle community and connect with other legends where we build long-term relationships with people like you, supporting you throughout your career life cycle. Check the description for details. So, clarity gives you the ability to see it, to see that there are actual jobs out there. Once you see that there are actual jobs out there that can help you to reach your desire, now you begin to attract it into your whole ecosystem. You heard that. Yes, you begin to attract it because a lot of people have not really thought about their desires. They do not believe that there is a job out there for them. And once you have the desire and you begin to see those job titles out there, you now begin to believe that there is a job out there that could be for you. And that belief is a very powerful thing. All right, I hear you again. Go ahead and bring on the next question. But Jen, what if I don't see any job titles like the one that I desire out there? Now, if you cannot find it on the job market, guess what? See it as an opportunity for creation. Yes, I like to believe that it is meant for you to create it, design it, build it. So your mindset should shift into thinking about what you can be doing today to position you well to begin creating the job you desire. Okay, now here's the third step to manifesting the career you want. Step 3, you have to see the job as if it's happening today. You have to see it as if it's already happening to you. It is possible for you to see something as if it's already happening because we do this all the time, except we do this in a negative way usually. We see negative things happening so clearly that we begin to manifest them. All I'm asking you to do or to try is to shift that negative to see the positive. And that is the biggest part of manifestation, is that you can see it happening now. There are 2 activities that we do in Inner Circle that really help with that. The first activity that we do is called creating a why statement. The why statement speaks in the present tense, moving toward my highest career potential, which is like moving toward that desire. For more on the why statement, watch this video on our channel. I've added the link in the description, and it's called Motivational Video Series, Career Clarity. The second activity that we do is that we write a letter of resignation. If you're currently in a job that you do not desire and you are trying to manifest the job that you do desire, go ahead, write your letter of resignation to the company that you are with. Now, if you're currently unemployed, write a letter of resignation to this season of unemployment in your life. Tell this season of unemployment that you've appreciated all that you've learned from it, but you've gotten a new opportunity that you've accepted that is the career of your dreams. Yes, you would do it just like that. Now, here's a disclaimer if you are employed and you are writing your letter of resignation. You do not give your letter to your workplace yet. Rather, you hold on to it and you choose your effective date and you write it and you put it in an envelope and you keep it somewhere you can see it every single day, because you were saying to the universe that you acknowledge that this job or this season is about to end and the new job that you want is about to begin. You are manifesting that you are about to get your dream job. I have had a lot of clients that once they manifest that new job that they want, they have actually been able to take that exact same resignation letter that they wrote months before or maybe even a year before. They're able to give it to their boss. Isn't that pretty cool? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to share with me in the comments below the strategies that you have used to keep yourself motivated to stay on track with your career goals. What are you over there working on to manifest? By the way, if you're looking for a new opportunity, check the link in the description where you can find all of our free resources to support your job search. I'm Jen Tardy. I'm your career success coach, and I'll see you in the next video.